Disinfect, sir.
Excuse me, my shield.
Is your toothbrush on?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Hello! It's so cute! Hi! Hi, distance. Hi, everyone! Hi, everyone! Thank you for coming to my concert! Maki, baka! What? Hala, porn? Wait lang, ano ba? Masaya ba siya o hindi? Is this real women giving birth? Kasi bakit makak-makeup? Oo. I have two mistakes. Zero.
One mistake.
Perfect. Ready? Homework na to.
Ay, kalat.
Ready? Dali lang! So basically, you have to guess the word, and there are certain words here that I can't say because it's too associated with the word. So I'll have to be creative. Okay, ready, set, beer, water, bottle, gerber, melon, swimsuits, onesie. Ayan, mga fashion vloggers.
Protect. Saliva.
Not normal. Special. Yes, ang bilis. Auntie, baby. Nephew. So we're now giving off our party favors. And so we don't have any baskets.
What's the price for the table?
No, this is our prizes. Okay.
Proud of me, my competitiveness has shined through.
Of course.
I have to represent.
Congratulations. These are all organic. And
Don't panic, it's organic.
it's here on our lap.
It's super heavy.
Okay.
So you pull.
Okay.
Wow. Pull again. Wow.
Facundo, open the gift.
I shall, ma'am.
Ora mismo. What is it? Yay! Basket, please! Thank you, Rustan. I'm so happy.
Oh, this is the fancy one.
Yeah! Yay! So when we're already COVID-free and we're traveling with the baby, we have a pack and play from Graco. So this is how it looks. Ta-da! It has everything. It has like the changing pads and then a crib. Yay! Movie. It's a stroller from Mamas and Papas. Thank you so much, Mamas and Papas. Today I wore a revealing dress because it is not every day that you have boobs, and I won't be able to do this without my pride. Yay! Oh my God! This is one of my requests. One of my wish lists because all my mommy friends told me that it's really important. It's the sterilization mommy bag by 59S. And the hubs actually researched about it.
Yeah, it's good. When you go out, you need to sterilize the bottles on the go. Just throw them in. It's usually sterilized box.
Yeah. I will be a germaphobe mom. I can feel it.
Have more.
It's pink. It's so handy, no?
Thank you for buying me a pink bag.
Because
Carry around.
he'll be carrying it. So cute. Show like a true vlogger.
Can you see? Can you see? Focus. What is that?
I don't know. What is it?
Baba sheep.
Baba sheep. Baba sheep. Oh, so cute. A bamboo cap. So they usually have bonnets. And I just learned from one of the classes that we took na hindi lang pala pampaganda yung bonnets. It's actually really to protect parang to form the head of the baby. So that's why pala they wear. And a bamboo romper. It's this
A bamboo
cute.
blanket.
And a bamboo blanket.
This is a pillow now.
Yeah, it's a pillow. He has not been reading up on baby stuff. Ready? Steady, go! Rustan's Pascual. Where do we open?
Here. Love.
Love.
What is it?
I don't know. Rocker napper! I'm really so excited. Yay! Oh, it's the one with the mobile thing.
How cute.
So cute! In a chic minimalist color. There's music, there's lights, there's like the mobile thing, so it helps develop the baby's brain. Would you like to add to it?
I think it was well said.
Oh, it's the one design. It's the tummy time. It's a panda playmat. So cute. Thank you so much. Rustan's actually helped us with our baby registry, and I just told them, because I'm a new mom and I got so confused with all the items, I just told them na kayo na bahala basta neutral colors. Whatever you think we'll need, so there.
Yeah,
It's so cute.
they added, oh, but you will need these, so you should add few of these and few of these. So is this something with 3 pieces? What is it?
Maybe,
3
what's your
pieces.
guess?
Maybe it's the kitchen stuff. Like all kinds of like
Like bayaba?
can be beaba and then the
I know, no.
it's not.
It's bird cloth, I think.
Oh yeah, it wasn't heavy.
Oh, it is bayaba! Yay! Bayaba! So this is for portioning the baby's food, and then if you put it inside the wrap and stuff like that, in very, very cute design. It's a French brand, right?
Yeah.
Bayaba. Oh, more bayaba! So this one naman, I really love. It's like you put the food inside, and then you just squeeze, and then it comes out.
With
Ta-da!
quadrado.
So you store the food, and then if it's time to feed na, you just change the cover. And
Dun, dun, dun.
most highly recommended by our mommy friends. Every time we ask what's the best food processor and food cooking thing for babies, they always say Briaba. And so we are very, very happy with this.
Beautiful color.
It's so nice, so chic. Parang sabi nila, if you compare it to other brands, this is really the most convenient, the fastest to use, and also the prettiest.
Cute.
Cute like us.
Ah,
Yay! I love all these chairs and nappers and stuff with the mobile stuff, so it's easy. It's
Throw the baby in.
Yeah. Cute. Oh, and you can use this until toddler hops.
Oh yeah, here.
Yeah.
So it becomes.
Even if our baby is a giant. Yes.
Yes.
I'm happy.
I think I know what it is.
Yeah, I'm so happy with all the stuff because I don't have to think.
I know what this is.
What is it? Car seat.
I think so.
Car seat. You think?
It's heavy.
Yay! Car seat. It's your turn. Explain.
So, we were researching different car seats because obviously car seat is important for the safety, and we really like this one because you can use it from the newborn all the way until they are how old was it? Super old, 10.
Three? Ah,
Oh,
10?
yeah, it was
Oh.
super.
Even a finished baby.
Even a finished, here it says 22.5 kilos. No, 30 kilos.
Yeah, because we're trying to live a minimalist life. Minimalist na parang daming mga wrapper. But we're trying our best to like not have to keep changing like baby cockroach items. So we're really looking at how long we can use these items. And there's a lot of items kasi that you really have to check kasi sometimes it's really just for newborn until let's say 6 months and then you have to change na. But then if you have options like this where you can go from newborn all the way till they're like toddlers and even like kid size and everything, then you'd want to go for something like this at least you don't have to have so much stuff at home.
Yeah, it's good. And I think it's a new thing that it's all the way up until they are already 30 kilos heavy. So yeah.
And you really have to pay attention because with the brand, like car seats are so important. Like you look at this website, right? But it has to be certified, and then apparently car seats have expiries. Like
yeah, car seats have also expiries, but that's to all the car seats. So it's good to buy a new one because you never know how long the old one has been used. Because the cushions and the materials are not so safe anymore after certain years. So if you buy a second-hand one, you never know how safe your bebe is.
Preggy mom tip: assign the specifics of these technical stuff to the hubs. So he's the one who researches if the carrier is certified, if this crib is certified, if this car seat is like the best. They like it. It's like
car seats, strollers.
It's a guy thing. While the hubs is being a facundo, carrying all the stuff. Open another gift. Oh, love bug, a baby monitor.
Oh really?
Yes. Oh, yeah, a baby monitor.
Okay, this is my turf again.
Yeah.
Oh, I was looking at this, the time flies. This is good. It's not good. We like it.
You connect this to your phone or what?
No, there's a screen.
Ah, there's a screen.
I'm not sure if there's an app. There might be an app.
Ay, mali. Joke lang. Yay! And it's in the color gray, so it's again our requested neutral palette. Ta-da! This is how it looks. Looks so fancy. That's the screen, and you can bring it around with you.
Super long range in these ones. What is it?
Blackberry daw. You know what a Blackberry is, so like, baka you're too young. Dearest Toot, I cannot wait to meet you. You've got two awesome parents. Auntie Pap. Dearest Cams and Yoni, I can't wait to meet your beautiful bundle of joy. You guys will do an amazing job as parents. Here's something to add to your bag collection and something cute to use for a mommy and daddy OOTD.
Oh, diaper bag.
Ooh! Pat, what is this? A baby bag? Oh! And then you put like a baby bottle here.
That's the changing pad.
The changing pad.
Smart. Thank you.
Thank you! This is from our friend Pal, who is single and ready to mingle. Dear Cams and Yoni, congratulations, and I can't wait to meet your beautiful baby girl and drink with her.
Gotta wait for a bit to drink with her.
Gotta wait for a bit to drink with her. Yay! A hooded towel.
Oh, that's the one you chose.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's part of our baby registry. Thanks, Val.
Thank you.
From Hayes and Chalk, we are so excited for you. We love you three. See you soon. Toot! Oh, is this the diaper changing pad? Oh, thank you, Lord. Oh, so cute.
Thank you.
Thanks, Beads. This from Lisa. Yeah!
Moby. You can never have too much Moby with that
Yeah.
motto.
Yay! She got me a lot of baby movies. Because mommies were telling me you can never have too much baby movie stuff and birth pads and
Oh, in the back
and
as
this
well.
bag. Yoni and I really wanted this. Thank you! Something that you attach on the strollers. They could put like stuff for the baby easily.
What was there?
Man of few words from Dimity. Yay! More Bayaba! Thank you so much!
Thank you.
This is your happiest unboxing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Happiness. We're really thankful that you guys found the time and brave the current circumstances to come celebrate with us and come like sort of welcome our baby. We know it's not an easy decision to come
go
to
out.
an intimate gathering, even though it's intimate. But we're really very thankful because it's something that we want to share with you guys. And you guys have been with us since like when we were dating and now we're becoming new parents. And it's just really nice for us to be able to get together for like such a nice purpose, and like especially during this time when we didn't expect that we'd actually see you guys and be able to celebrate with you guys.
Yeah, that's it. Do I have to say something as well?
Oo, tatay ka, diba? Joke lang.
No, super appreciate that you all made it here. And as Cam said, it's not an easy decision to go out to go to an event, even though it's just a small group. But yeah, we appreciate it, and let's stay safe and have fun.
And also, thank you for sacrificing your noses for us for the swab test. We know it's not a pleasant experience. That's all. Thank you. So that's it for our baby shower. We had some games, like a lot of gifts that we opened. We're still gonna open some more
Yeah, there's
these
still a
coming
lot
days.
left.
And we just really wanna thank all our friends really for coming and for agreeing to like take swab tests and to agree with all the safety protocols that my sister imposed. And of course, thank you so much, my sister, for handling all the
Fixing
stress of fixing this entire baby shower with Rustan's, of course.
Yeah, thanks for everyone who was part of it. And it was something we weren't expecting to have, considering the situation, but very grateful that we were able to experience it.
Yeah, and to be able to celebrate this happy occasion with our friends and loved ones, and also with the help of Rustan's. It made everything so easy for us because now we're new parents. So I think the point of a baby shower really is like celebrating the baby and also helping us like get a head start with all the baby stuff. So it's nice that it's so convenient that Rustan's helped us fix all of this and all of our baby stuff, and I feel like we're super duper ready and
Yeah.
super set.
True.
Yeah.
Good. Ready to
Ready to push! Joke lang.
nest.
Ready to nest. That is our next step. Thank you so much for joining us on our baby shower. Don't forget to
Like and subscribe. And comment. Leave a comment down below. See you next time.